Most people who study astrology for years still can't read a chart. They know what their moon in Scorpio means or why Mercury retrograde matters, but hand them a chart and they freeze. Now that's not a knowledge problem, that's a structure problem, because astrology isn't about what each piece means, it's about what the pieces mean to each other. How your moon modifies your sun, how your rising shapes how both of these express, how the chart functions as a connected system, not a list of definitions. Now, most people learn astrology the way you'd memorize a dictionary, and then they're confused why they can't hold a conversation. The pieces aren't the language, the relationships are. That's the shift. And it's the one most resources never actually walk you through. The cleanest place to start is what's called your big three: your sun, your moon, and your rising sign. Not because they're the most important placements, but because they already form a relationship. They already tell a story together. If you can learn to read those three in relation to each other, you've done the hardest thing. You've started reading a chart, not just collecting meanings. I put together a free course that shows you exactly how to do that. In about a week, you'll be able to look at your big three and actually understand what your chart is saying. Not just what each placement means, but what they mean together. If that's where you're stuck, that's where you need to start. Links in the description down below.